DJ Osmo Mobile 7P. So I'm going to be unboxing this. I'm just unboxing. I am not going to be demonstrating. But however, I would put some links. I am going to put some links in the description if you want to uh, see how to work it and see it in action. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that does that and better than I would. So I'm going to include some of those links in my description. And I also want to show you that I have some accessories. I have the carrying case, and I have this little hickory jig, the phone mount to uh, go with it for the phone, a magnetic phone mount. And I hope I got the right one. I don't see the DJ Osmo 7 on here. Oh well, we're going to try it anyway. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip over to my overhead cam, and I am going to just go ahead and unbox it. Now, before I purchased this, I was watching a lot of YouTube videos on it, and it really was between choosing this one and choosing the competitor, whatever it is. I don't know the name, but it's a competitor to this one. And I chose this one because of the extra thing that it comes with. Hold on. I don't even know what it's called. But that's why I chose it, because I can connect it with my DJI mini mic. So that's the reason why I got it. And so let me just take everything out of the box first. Oh, it's smaller than I oh my God. I'm glad it's not huge. My Xiaohun 5 is huge. This, oh man, it's a nice size. I like that size. So I think I got everything out of the box. I have to make sure, because a lot of times I leave some things in the box and then I end up inadvertently tossing it out, and then I lose whatever was in the box. So, what is this? I don't know what this is. Hey, something. Hey, these are the instructions, I believe. Yeah, the 7 quick start. Yeah, okay, those are the instructions. Get that out of the way. And this is, I guess, the charging port, charging cable. Right here is USB-C right there, if y'all can see that. And this is the connector. Both is USB-C. Okay, so I'm going to include some videos to tell you exactly what those are. But like I said, this is just the my unboxing. That's what I'm doing. I wonder if I can zoom in a little. See, I want to zoom in. I find my remote and zoom in a bit. Is it already zoomed in? Oh, there we go. So I'm zooming in a little bit. I can get closer, y'all can see better. So here, this is why I think this is it. Every smaller. I thought it'd be like bigger, but no, this is it. This is why I bought it. This here thing here. This is just why I bought it, to connect my mic with it. Right here, the camera. Right here, connect my DJI mini mic. That's why I bought it. Perfect. All right. And this is the magnetic phone lamp. Then here, they said when you lift it up, it automatically comes on, and it did automatically come on. And I do have to charge it. It's not connected to Bluetooth, which is why that is blinking there. And this is yellow, and this is yellow, so I definitely have to charge it up. Um, how do you turn it off? How do you close it? Okay, but it didn't go off. It's still on. Okay, so I'm going to just, like I said, unbox it, read some instructions, and go from there. It didn't go off, it's still on. I think I heard in one of the videos it has to be in a lock position or something. So I don't know how to put it in a lock position, and I really don't want it to stay on. I don't even know how to turn it off yet. Wait a minute, here's a button. Let it go off. What that is for? Let me just go ahead and unbox this, because it's still on. I don't want it on. And then I don't want to go messing anything up either. So I'm just going to sit this down and push this over to the side. And here's the pouch that it comes with here. Comes in a nice handy pouch. So instead of the pouch, I like to protect my, the things I buy, I protect them. And so I usually, when I buy things, I usually buy the accessories that goes with it. So I bought the carrying case here. So it will fit like right in here. And it comes with a strap. I like that. Shoulder strap. And it will fit somehow in here. Like so. I don't know how it'll fit in here, but it's supposed to fit in there. And I think I have to fold it a certain way for it to fit. So, but it's supposed to fit in here because it's cut out for it to fit. So it will fit in there. And then this will fit over here on that side like that. And then this little hickory jig right here will fit in there. And then you can put the accessories in the back of it like that. Put it in the back of the pouch. So you have a compartment right there, and then you have a compartment right here. So I can fit this here, and there. I can fit that in there, and then go ahead on and zip it up like that. So this is the carrying case that I also bought. And the next thing I bought, I'm gonna put the strap in there. The next thing I bought was this little jig. I saw in some videos where instead of using the included phone clamp, they use something else to make it easier to connect it to the phone. So when you open it up, it tells you, I guess, how to position it. Depends on what phone you have. But yeah, this is a magnetic phone. And it looks like this right here is some extra magnet, just in case you don't have a MagSafe case. They do give you some O-rings, some magnetic O-rings. So you get one of those, put that to the side over there. Oops, I'm going to take that off. Yeah, leave that on there. So, but my phone case does have a magnetic backing on it. So I would take this, and I guess you will stick it on your phone. Let me see which way. That way? Or this way? Okay, so it's on my phone. And you would take this. It's still on. I'm going to have to find some way to turn this off. It looks like a power cord. Is that the record button? I don't know, but it's still on. So I'm going to open it back up like this. And I'm going to stick my phone case on it like that. It's supposed to just stick just like that. So yeah, it's thick and it's holding like that. Wait, where's the camera? Okay, there we go. And it's holding like that. Okay, so this, like I said, was just an unboxing of a couple of things that I purchased. And okay, so now it went back off. Yeah, it's off now. That's why it's all dangling all over the place. But yeah, that magnetic phone will just clamp on the back of your phone like that, and you would just take it, and it came off my phone. So just take it off. Only if I put it on the right side, does it go like this? I'm not sure. But yeah, so I bought this separate to attach onto here while it is attached to my phone, and just like that. So whenever I do go outside, if I use it outside, I may upload a video of me using it once I figure out how everything actually works now that I have it in my hand. I may do a video of me being outside using it. Okay, so basically that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Nice, quick, and simple. And I will definitely put some more in-depth video in the some links in the description if you're interested in how to use it in the different functions. There's some really good videos on YouTube about it, and I'm going to put maybe one or two that I have watched that I find good. So I am going to end this video here, and I will see you in my next video. All right, be blessed.